Hey guys, excuse the background noises. We're here in my great grandma's house. We're here in my great grandma's house. As you can see, it's my last video probably like 2 years ago. I told you that the Hunter profile will most likely get replaced because of making noise. I feel we just redo the battery. So this is a Tropisair Air. This came for Dad's Best Series. Okay, so here's the remote. So we'll go do speed walk to speed walk. Come on. Yeah, sometimes these fast are a big way to start up. I think that's low speed. We go speed 2. Speed 4. Wow, that moves a lot, yeah. Okay, we'll do the speed down. I will do no, we'll do the speed down. Okay, so all right, so that's it for now. I will do the rest of the fast way to talk you guys later. Bye bye.